everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out this watermelon sleeping mask from Glow Recipe, and you may not see it very well, but I will probably make another little clip and display it better for you guys. But this mainly will help hydrate, brighten, and smooth your skin, and basically soften your skin. And you can actually use it in two different ways. You can either use it as a sleeping mask right before bed and rinse it thoroughly once you wake up, or you can actually apply it and leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it thoroughly afterwards. However, from what I heard, sleeping through the night with this mask on is more effective. So let's try it, or I'll display it for you guys first and give you a closer look on how it looks like inside and the bottle, because the bottle is pretty pretty. And I'll probably tell you guys a little bit more about the product as well while I do that. I also forgot to mention that I'm gonna be trying this product out for 3 nights, basically the weekend, and giving you guys my official opinion then, because I feel like you have to try this out a few times in order to really, either notice something or, make your official opinion about it. And maybe 3 nights will not be enough, but I'm gonna just see from there. But goal is to try it out for 3 nights and see what I think from there. Alright, I quickly showered. First day, I'm gonna try it. You may have to mix it a little. Usually it comes with a spoon, but unfortunately, I don't know why, but I didn't get one. It smells nice. Sorry, I keep looking that way, but I mean to look straight in the camera. But anyway, it's nice and glowy. I'm being quiet because it's kind of late. My family is sleeping, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. I washed my hands, so it's gonna be fairly clean, but mix it and apply a generous amount on your face apparently. And then I'm going to sleep. Mix. Very jelly. Okay, so woke up. It's a bit flaky, but I'm gonna rinse it off and see how it feels like. Alright, so I think first night was pretty good. I'm not gonna officially say what I think until I'm done the weekend trying this mask, but I think so far it's a good product. Nothing really negative to say, which is good, I think. Leaves your skin feeling smooth. Not super smooth, but like I just noticed it a little bit, and my face is a bit pinkish because I was thoroughly rinsing it off, and that's what it says to do in the instructions, so make sure you do that very well, because first off, when you start rinsing, it kind of just turns into jelly first, and then slowly it starts coming off, so make sure you rinse thoroughly. Okay, so quick update. This is the third night I'm going to be trying it. However, I've been breaking out a bit, as you can probably notice. However, not positive it's from this yet. It could be, but I'm gonna try one more time, of course. Maybe just a lighter layer and see how my skin reacts tomorrow, and I'll update you guys from there. Okay, Monday morning, and I need to fix my hair, and I have a few breakouts, and I'm not positive 100% it's from the mask, but I have a feeling that because I put so much on for the first and second day, that it kind of contributed to having my skin break out. My main opinion basically is that I think the product actually works pretty well, or at least what it says is gonna do for your skin. However, even though it says that it you can use it for oily type skin, dry type skin, or sensitive type skin, for me, oily type combination skin is a bit, you know, I feel like those people who have that skin type would have to estimate it a little bit more for themselves compared to other skin types. Not sure, because of course I don't have dry or sensitive type skin. I think though that if you want to use it for oily combination type skin, either avoid the oily parts of your skin or put a very light layer, or just, you know, put it on the dry areas. Like for me, it would be usually this part, the drier areas, and my cheeks aren't oily, or I would say they're normal, but my oily problem mostly is the forehead area and I guess the T-zone area. And I basically read a little bit about if it's necessarily good for oily combination type skin to have or use sleeping masks, and it's suggested apparently not to, just because if you put the sleeping mask on the area that is oily, it just blocks the oil and you can just basically end up breaking out, and it's not really something you probably would like. So that's basically my opinion, and I am uploading this video on Thursday and it is Monday today, so I will put more thought into this and maybe give you an official opinion or confirmation either through the video or in the description below, or if there's any updates or anything I have to maybe correct myself on. And with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was beneficial for you guys, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, like the video, and of course share, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.